In this problem, we're given the position vector valued function, and we have to find the velocity, the speed, and the acceleration. Let's go ahead and go through it. So to find the velocity, we simply take the derivative of r. So the velocity function is going to be the derivative of our position function. So we just take the derivative of each piece. So the derivative of 8t is 8. The derivative of 6 cosine t is going to be, well, the derivative of cosine is negative sine. So this will be negative 6 sine t. And the derivative of 6 sine t is 6 cosine t. All right, that's it. That's our velocity function. It's a vector valued function. The speed is the magnitude of the velocity. So let's work that out. So it's going to be the magnitude of the velocity. Basically, the formula says that we take the square root of each of the components. So it'll be 8 squared plus parentheses negative 6 sine t squared plus parentheses 6 cosine t squared. So this is equal to the square root of 64 plus, squaring this one, we'll get 36 sine squared t. Same thing here, 36 cosine squared t. And you can see that you can pull out the 36. I love this problem because, or problems like this, because it's really nice when this happens. And this happens a lot in these problems. Whenever you have sines and cosines, it's like they're rigged. It's fantastic. This is wonderful. This is what math is all about, when things work out. Because this is 1, right? This is equal to 1. It's a trig identity. So this is 64 plus 36. And this is even better, because when you add these, you get 100. So the square root of 100 is 10. So the speed is 10. The speed is constant. It does not change. It's always 10. So the speed in this problem is 10. The acceleration is the derivative of the velocity. So a of t is going to be equal to the derivative of v. So it'll be, let's see, the derivative of 8 is 0. The derivative of sine is cosine, so we'll just get negative 6 cosine t. And the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so we'll get negative 6 sine of t. Let's just double check that one more time. The derivative of 8 is 0, check. The derivative of sine is cosine, looks okay. And the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so everything looks good. That's it. I hope this video has been helpful. Take care.